In less than 5 minutes, I will save you hours creating a beautiful business presentation with ChatGPT. Let's get started with having ChatGPT write your slide content. Open up ChatGPT and write a clearly defined prompt with what kind of slides you need. Make sure to define the topic, tone, audience, and key points you want to cover. This way, you save time while ensuring your content is focused, engaging, and tailored to your audience's needs. When you prompt ChatGPT, you can include instructions on how you want the content structured. For example, bullet points, headings and subheadings, numbered lists and tables. You can find a list of example prompts right here on screen. Now, let's move on to the second tip, which includes real-time data on your slides. By combining ChatGPT with VBA or Google Apps Script, you can create a script that pulls in fresh data every time you present. For example, you could use it for sales figures, social media statistics, or research volumes. Here's how it works. Prompt ChatGPT to generate a VBA or Google Apps Script that connects to your data source. Then embed that script in your PowerPoint or Google Slides. Now, whenever you open your presentation, the slide automatically updates with the latest data, keeping everything current without the need for last-minute edits. If you're new to VBA and Google Apps Script and you want to learn more about it, check out these videos I made over to my side. Let's continue with tip number 3, which is all around the visuals. A compelling presentation needs compelling visuals. ChatGPT can suggest graphics that match your content. But let's take it a step further with AI-driven tools like DALL-E or Crayon, which can generate images based on descriptions provided by ChatGPT. This integration ensures your visuals are not only beautiful, but perfectly suited to the message you're conveying. With these integrations, your slides are not only beautiful, but they also match your style and they also attract your audience. Next up is tip number 4 on creating interactive slides. To make your presentations more interactive, consider adding Q&A slides where you anticipate common audience questions and preload thoughtful answers. ChatGPT can assist by generating potential questions based on the content of your presentation. For example, after inputting your main points into ChatGPT, you can ask it to predict questions that an audience might have. Then you can include these questions and answers directly on your Q&A slides. This is extremely helpful for first-time presenters. And now, the best tip that you guys have been waiting for, the tone of your presentation. Each audience is unique, and so should be your presentation's language and tone. You can ask ChatGPT to help customize your presentation's text to match the professional level and background of your audience. This could, for example, be a tailored language for executives like vice presidents and directors. Don't underestimate the power of personalization and showing respect to your audience. With these 5 tips, you can create presentations that resonate with your audience and increase engagement while also saving you a ton of time. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and click on the bell icon so you don't miss out on any updates. For more tips on creating effective slides, check out the videos I made over to my side. Thanks for watching and see you guys next time.